In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new QuickBooks Online account. The process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have your very own QuickBooks account set up and ready to go. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. Once there, type QuickBooks Online in the search bar and hit enter. This search will bring up a list of links, and what you're looking for is the official QuickBooks Online site. Usually, it appears right at the top of your search results. Once you've found it, click on the link that says Sign up today and get started with QuickBooks Online Advanced. This page is specifically designed to help new users get started with QuickBooks, so it's perfect for our needs today. After you've done that, you should see a prominent Get Started button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page where you can select the specific plan that best suits your business needs. QuickBooks offers a variety of options, each catering to different types of business requirements, so take your time to review the plans if needed. When you've decided which plan you'd like to start with, click on Select Plan. This choice will prompt a quick review of your selection, giving you the chance to make sure everything is just how you want it. Once satisfied, you'll see a Continue button waiting for you. Click this to proceed to the registration phase, where you'll enter your personal details. This information should be accurate as it establishes your main account, so double-check everything before you submit. After entering your details, you'll see an option labeled One More Step. Clicking here will direct you to the payment section. This step is crucial because it will require you to input your payment details and address. Don't worry, this page is secure, but make sure your payment method is convenient for you, whether it's a card or another type. When your payment information has been filled out and you're ready to finish, it's time to click the Checkout button. This action confirms your information, processes your payment, and officially sets up your new QuickBooks Online account. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully created your new QuickBooks Online account. You can now begin exploring its features and utilizing its powerful tools to manage your business finances effectively. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing what you achieve with QuickBooks.